This indicator shows a reversal breakout trend as shown in this diagram. So basically this indicator will shows breakout and it shows a increasing in trend, and it shows a breakout and also increasing in trend. So basically this indicator will help you to indicate any trade position, any signal that you need in this indicator. So in today's video, we are going to go through this indicator and try to optimize this indicator in our trading strategy. If you want to learn TradingView, you can check the description down below and start out how to plot this graph using this indicator. So let's start. First of all, as a disclaimer, this tutorial is for educational purpose only and does not contain any constitute financial advice. And in today's video, we are going to use reversal and breakout signal by Algo Alpha, and we will try out this indicator with optimized setting to set the best trading strategy using this indicator. We also will add additional indicator to support if needed for this indicator for trading. And also, we will try to stimulate out its profit vs its loss profitability. We will use risk reward ratio. Make sure that the risk reward projection is more than 1 so that we can make a more reward biased trade using this indicator. So let's start. First of all, you can just open up this indicator in the indicators tab. Basically, you can just search for the indicators as reversal breakout signal by Algo Alpha. So you can just use reversal and breakout. You can choose this indicator by Algo Alpha to stimulate out the indicators to your chart in TradingView. So basically you can just generate out, and after that you can just customize the indicator to suit for your trading strategy. So you can increase the period or decrease the period. For example, currently I'm using for 1 hour time frame. I will be using a more shorter or lower time frame. So basically you can customize, for example, the period you are trading for 5 minutes time frame, you can customize maybe to 5 and this volume to 5 to make the time frame to be more sensitive based on your trading strategy. Or maybe you are a swing trader, you can just customize the chart based on your trading strategy and also your time frame. You need to customize based on your time frame. If you have a lower time frame, make sure that you have a lower time frame indicator to suit for your trading sensitivity. So basically you can customize other, for example, you can customize the color, style, or even visibility of this indicator to have a more optimized indicator. And also you can just read up the indicator by going this and check for the script for this indicator. Basically, it will show you all of the definition, the script, the functionality of this indicator, and how do you set up this indicator based on the indicator's description. So for example, they provide you how you can set up your preference. You can adjust the indicator loopback strength, the volume strength, and also the threshold volume strength. So basically, you can go through this and find out how to use this indicator. For example, they also provide you reversal signal in this indicator, breakout trend signal, and also they provide you the trend in red and green color so that you can optimize your trading strategy. And so let's start how we can plan for this strategy. So first of all, you can change to your suitable time frame for your trading strategy. So currently I'm using for 2-hour trading strategy. And as you can see, first it helps to determine the reversal point as here, reversal, and also it determine a breakout, short-term breakout and short-term reversal. Make sure that you customize the setting based on your trading time frame. So as you can see, so if you want to plan for a trade, we can check for the reversal as a support from MACD and also for the chart. So let's start to find out one reversal point. So for example, at this area, it shows a reversal from red decreasing in momentum of bearish turns into green, small green increasing in momentum. So basically this will be a position as is at a quite low position to plan for your long trade. So for example, after it shows a reversal, you can start planning for your trade position, and you can take previous point for your support and resistance. So basically you can plan for short-term position. So this risk reward shows a 1.84 risk reward ratio, and the stop loss and the target price, stop loss is 528 and target price is 970. So basically you can just use this indicator to plan any short-term momentum for trading, and make sure that you are disciplined for any risk reward projection and strategy. As you already plan for your strategy, make sure that you optimize your strategy before you start for any trade. So this is one of the position that you can plan, and we'll find out another position as for our short position. So basically, as you can see, this indicator shows a uptrend. So for example, this shows a uptrend. After that, it shows a reversal signal. So basically, it shows a reversal signal short term to go down. So you can plan for your position based on your indicator. Okay, so this is one of the most suitable and favored place to plan. So first, it is at a very low region. The region is quite low, and the risk is quite low. So for example, this shows a sideways position. Okay, and first it shows a reversal from red to green in MACD, means that we have a weaker bearish momentum and a stronger bullish momentum. And in our chart for the signal, basically it shows a buy signal. So this is a quite suitable position that you can plan. For example, at this area, you can plan for a short-term long position. You can take previous chart for your reference, and also you can set for previous point as your cut loss. Make sure that you take the most suitable point with the high volume. So basically, this position will make a 2.32 risk reward projection as shown in the graph, and this is a quite good trade. First, it sideways breakout with volume, as you can see. So basically, it shows a volume breakout and a reversal point, and also MACD shows a momentum increasing, and basically this is a quite good position that you can make your trade. This also occur maybe you want to make any short term. For example, this breakout, it shows a increasing in momentum. So basically you can plan for any short term, maybe a short trade. So for example, this trade, if you are planning from this breakout, you can have a profit of 8.8%. So basically it's a quite good profit if you are planning for any short-term position. So yeah, basically that's all how you can use this momentum breakout signal to plan for any trade position. Make sure that you backtest every kinds of trade first before you try out any trading strategy. And the trading strategy must suit for your pattern, your chart, and the indicator are used in your chart. Backtest your position and be disciplined for any cut loss and take profit price based on the chart. So basically that's all for today's video. Thank you.